Hello guys, good morning. It's me, Juro Oyedeomo. I heard people say, I dream. How can you see someone in dream and you begin to make noise? For me, Juro Oyedeomo, and I said it, when you have stress, when you stress too much, you dream a lot. When you have something in head, you dream a lot. Maybe those pastors who have a lot of things that they are praying over, maybe they will dream. But if you don't have problem, you don't have anything that you are thinking, and you are a little bit comfortable, dream will run away from you. It's not maybe dream. When I said to some people that I don't dream, I used to dream. When I came here some years ago, over 90 years ago, I dream. I be dreamer. I dey dream. I go from dream enter dream. But now that maybe a little bit, a little thing that I think of, document. I have to have document, a place, a nice place to stay the way I want my life to be. I do dream. That time I dream. You okay to say Jesus, you start to pray. But I'm the same person now that I don't want to think about. I don't need stress anymore in my life, and I hate stress. I'm the same person now, and I don't dream that time the way I was dreaming. Sometimes I can come into it over 6 months. I don't know what is dream. Because I don't want to dream, I don't want to think about something. If I don't have enough money to enjoy myself, maybe I will dream. What kind of dream are you dreaming of? And some people will dream. You will see someone in your dream, and you will come out to make noise that you dream. Are you sure you are not thinking of that person? When your mind is not clear, when you think too much, dream come when your mind is stressed. When you have no hope, you think your hope is gone. Dream when you have a load. But if you are peaceful, a dream come to you. Don't fight anybody when you wake up. If you do was wajia, all you can say the parable mean when someone who doesn't have brain go to a shrine or babalawo place. If that babalawo said, Father is your problem, your mother is your problem, your family, he will go home and take a class to pursue every family member. Don't be oswajia. When you dream, if you know your mind is clean, your mind is clear. When you dream, you know that you are a pastor or you are a whatever. When you dream, pray over it. That is what I heard inside this Bible. And if you have been dreaming before when things are not okay, now that you are okay now, the dream, you don't dream all those every bad dream anymore. What do? You think God is not with you anymore? When people say that I don't dream, they say you need to dream it. Dream in this. If you have stress, you have something in your head, you don't sleep well in the night, you must dream. You have to dream. You want to go bigger. Me, I always say thank you in the morning. I don't go on my knee to say I need more. And I give God the glory, what he have. Who will be me? Who knows me? Who I am? And now that I can feed, I don't want to get it all at the same time. And I give God the glory what he have given me. If I don't dream, I don't ask God why I can't dream. I'm a human being, I live. And I say, Baba, what's baby? I sleep and I wake up and I say thank you. But who now need them, you know who are we? You more dream now. If you need it all at the same time, you more dream. Oh, you dey pursue something they go, you must dream. If When you pursue things too much, you more dream. Okay, guys, this is just about dream. When you dream, it's not any man or woman fault. Pray over it, or keep your mind a little bit. I don't want to talk too much, guys. But when you dream, don't come out and be shouting. Just pray over it or zip. Thank you. Bye bye.